If you're an adult who still has sloppy handwriting and you're in today's competitive job market, you have a problem. If you are a college or a high school student who doesn't print well, and you have to turn in essays and tests to your teachers, written in your own handwriting, you definitely have a problem. Despite how smart you may be, your handwriting may say otherwise. If you still have childish handwriting, your teachers and employers will judge you as less qualified than your peers who have better handwriting. If you're like most adults, you have already tried to fix your sloppy handwriting. Probably more than once, and no matter what you have tried, it hasn't worked. This is because, up until now, there has not been a handwriting system that was able to reteach older students and adults to have better handwriting that has actually worked. The teacher's alphabet was designed to help preschoolers, who were first-time printers, learn how to immediately become really good printers. It was also designed as a handwriting system that teaches teachers how to teach kids to see and make their letters and numbers in a new way. The teacher's alphabet has 5 lines, instead of 3, and 11 directional letter groups, that progress from the easiest to make letters to the harder to make. If you're an adult or older student who still has sloppy handwriting, or you want to teach someone else how they can finally have excellent handwriting, until January 3rd, you can get our Teacher's Alphabet Total Teacher's Handwriting Package at a 30% discount. Just go to our website now, theteachersalphabet.com. Better letter formation with less frustration for all. The smartest way to teach anyone how to easily have better handwriting is finally here. Brought to you by the Teacher's Alphabet Publishing Group. Teach smarter, not harder. Happy New Year.